Hey everyone, this is Mike Massey, Senior Director of Long-Term Care, Continuing Care Services with Microscope Healthcare Consulting. What you see in front of you is the PDPM coach page of our proprietary web-based innovative technology software called Optics. Optics is the solution for PDPM compliance and reimbursement optimizing. Optics is a very unique system in that it's a front-end system with real-time viewing into PDPM information and reimbursement. It is a best practice system as it promotes clinical team collaboration for timely data gathering, scoring accuracy, and optimized reimbursement. The PDPM coach feature seen here in Optics also helps to guide the clinical team as they enter information for PDPM. In the Optics reporting section, it will identify potential missed reimbursement opportunities and lead you back to the specific patient and specific reimbursement impact areas of question. This is our PDPM coach page, and you can see here we've got clinical sections, active diagnoses, primary diagnoses, a financial section including a length of stay slide bar, and corresponding per diem rate and corresponding reimbursement. And if I hover over any reimbursement area, it's going to show me a rate change of a plus, minus, or no change. It'll show me the change in CMI. It'll show me the change in clinical category. For example, this example for primary diagnoses, I'm going to see already in advance before I choose it what that rate, that CMI, and that clinical change is going to be. And if I go ahead and I actually choose this primary diagnoses, it's going to be calculated in the financial section over here for your per diem rate and your reimbursement. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So as you can see, it's front end. It's front end and it's real time. There's no back end work for chasing documentation, ensuring input and scoring. Optics is simply a more cost effective, more efficient tool for PDPM. There are other features in Optics as well for resident risk management assist and for provider certifications and recertifications compliance. To find out more about Optics, contact me at Microscope HC.